my channel. Alicia here, and if you guys have never met me before and this is your first time, thank you all so much for tuning in to my channel. Now let me go ahead and tell you, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on another video that I will post. I want you guys to stay tuned, and also I want you to keep up with what I have going on. So today I'm really excited. I have a shopping haul, women's best. I've been super excited. You know, I hear a lot of the personal trainers wearing this particular brand, so I definitely wanted to see what the hype was about. Let's pull this out here. So I ordered their Power Seamless Sports Bra, and I also have the cycling shorts. I ordered it in nude, and then also this really light washed light gray color. Also, I ordered their camo. So they're camo seamless cycling shorts. I'm gonna try these on, give you a review on how they fit. I am 5'1". Everything I've ordered is either an extra small or a small. And like I said, I see everybody wearing their Power Seamless Sports Bra. You see the logo on the left chest. Okay. And then I like the detailed crossback straps. I think that's really unique. It comes with padding, so that's also good. It helps with supporting. Here's the shorts. The logo is in the same place as well. Again, it seems like it's pretty sturdy. Like, it'll definitely, when you put them on, it'll stay exactly in place and it won't move. So we're gonna test and see if they're squat ready and squat proof, in addition to, you know, if the material is pretty much aligned with what everybody's been saying. As I am revealing the final look of this style, to the left of your screen, you'll see this style, but worn with the leggings, in which I didn't purchase, guys. I noticed while shopping, there is a seamless long sleeve crop top that matched the set that you see me wearing to the right. So they do have other options. You do not have to purchase the bra and the shorts. This set is sold in many different colors, such as like black, and I do believe they had charcoal as an option. Everything that you see that I purchased in this video was on sale. One thing in particular that motivated me about their Power collection is the detailed booty contour. Honestly, the quality is there. I mean, it fits tight in all the right places, super stretchy, and it's breathable. So guys, check it out. Get you some. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Now here you will see the same set from the Power collection, only in a different color. I do believe this is their washed light gray, if I'm not mistaken. This bra was literally easy to slip on. Like, it was so simple, very comfortable, and also, you know what? It just gave me the energy I needed to get out there and, you know, keep working out. I love and enjoy to look cute while working out. So this gave me that encouragement that I needed, guys. It really did. Okay, y'all, so don't laugh. I had these shorts on backwards the entire time. Look, I was rushing and had other priorities, and I had to hurry up and throw these clothes on, record this video, so please forgive me. But these shorts come in red, gray, black, and also charcoal, I believe. So of course, to the left of your screen, I did notice that I had the shorts on backwards, and so I definitely had to record with the shorts on correctly, guys. So I think the logo goes in the front on the right hip, if I'm not mistaken. Still love the shorts, love the style, love the quality. Yes, definitely will purchase another pair. Okay guys, so this is the camo seamless top and super stretchy, so I love the material. There's a logo in the middle top back portion of the shirt, in addition to on the left chest area. And I like the fact that they have a small tag, so definitely it seems like there won't be any irritation for those who hate tags. And I went ahead, they did have a clear long tag. I went ahead and snipped that off. But I did like that it was clear and it didn't seem like it'll bother you. So here in the sleeve, as you can see, there's a hole for you to put your finger in, the glove or whatever you want to call it. Now I absolutely love these shorts. Like I said, it's super stretchy. And for those of you who have issues with fupa, then the waist portion of it is, it definitely seems like it'll hold everything in. And again, the logo is here in the back and also down at the bottom. Now these look like they're like 3/4 in length. And so when I tried these on, they go all the way to probably above my knee a little bit. Okay guys, so as you can see on your screen to the left is the leggings. I definitely wanted to give you a different look. They do have different options that you can purchase. Like I said, this material is super soft, breathable, and shaping and stretched to fit. Okay, so here is the final look. Please forgive me, I was struggling trying to get that jacket off there. But this particular set comes in green, black, and gray. So you do have options there to choose a different color. In addition to buy this set on sale. Hold on. Disclaimer, guys. I did have the shorts on backwards the whole entire time. The camo seamless top is a crop top, so I did like that. You can pretty much wear this stuff just everyday wear. You can dress it up literally if you're not going to the gym and you want to be comfortable, or if you're just doing like some light work or low impact, then like yoga or some daily walking, then I would probably suggest you wearing this particular brand. Guys, I really love it. I think the material is soft. Like I said, it's super sturdy. I tested it. I did squats. I did a few jumps in it. And literally the clothes, I mean, they fit snug and they fit really, really to the T. So thank you all for watching. Again, just make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any other videos. I want you to stay tuned with what I have going on and whatever.